welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we shall learn all about infinitives. I hope you already know this word, so if you are interested in learning about infinitives, be with me to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it because this channel is for you if you are interested in English phonics, English spelling rules, English creative writing, and obviously English grammar. So let's click the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and without any further ado, let's dive in. So let's first see what our learning objectives today. We are going to find out what are infinitives, and then we will identify the different functions of infinitives in sentences. Right? Infinitives can work differently in different sentences, so we shall look into this as well. Let's first learn about what is an infinitive. So, infinitive is a non-finite verb. Now, what does it mean by non-finite verb? It means that it doesn't tell the tense of the sentence. Moreover, it cannot be the main verb in a sentence. It looks like verb, but it can never be the main verb in a sentence. Next, it is the version of verb that appears in dictionary. You must have seen in dictionary that you have words written like to like or to go or to develop. So this is the infinitive form of verb. And this is how we find verbs in our dictionaries. Okay? And the next point is that it is usually preceded by to. For example, to run, to dance, to think. Why did I say that it is usually preceded by to? Because sometimes we have infinitives that are not preceded by to. They are called bare infinitives. We will discuss about bare infinitives in some other video. Today we are only talking about infinitives with to. So now let's learn about our second question, that what is the function of infinitives? So an infinitive may be used as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb in sentences. Does it look complicated? Believe me, it isn't. Let's see some examples and learn how infinitives work as noun, adjectives, or adverbs in sentences. The first one is infinitives working as noun. And you know that noun can be the subject of your sentence too, right? Nouns are the naming words and they can be the subject of your sentence. Let's see some examples in which infinitives are working as nouns and are the subject of the sentence too. To travel abroad is one of her dream. Now here in this word we have the infinitive to travel. If you think a little carefully, so here this infinitive to travel is giving you the name of some activity, the name of something that she wants to do, right? So to travel is a noun here and it's an infinitive too. To travel abroad is one of her dreams. If you want to make sure that whether it's a noun or not, what you can do, you can replace it with a gerund. You know that gerunds are the ing form of verb that work as nouns, right? If you don't know about this, please check out a link in the description box that will give you details about the different types of nouns, right? So to travel abroad, traveling abroad. Let's change it with this. Traveling abroad is one of her dreams. Is it making sense? It means to travel is the noun here. Okay. To relax is one of the reason why people travel. Now this is again the name of something, the name of an activity. To relax is one of the reasons why people travel. Hope this point is clear. Now in this slide we'll see infinitive functioning as noun and as an object of the sentence. For example, he likes to dance. Now here he is the subject, likes is the verb, and to dance is the direct object of this verb, right? He likes what he like. If you have infinitive as the answer of what, this is working as a noun. And then you can easily decide that if it's at the place of object, it's working as an object of the sentence too. Now, if you want to prove whether this infinitive is working here as a noun or not, so just try changing this and see the sense of the sentence. He likes to dance will change into he likes dancing. Does it make sense now? Yes. So it means that this infinitive is working here as a noun and it is also the object of your sentence. Another example is, one of the items on my friend's bucket list is to visit South Korea. Here is your verb. One of the item, this is the noun phrase, okay? This whole is the noun phrase. And what is the object here? Is to visit. Now, this is the name of an activity. So, this is a noun, and since it is written with to, it is an infinitive. Hope this point is clear to you now. Next is infinitive working as an adjective. Let's see the first sentence. I need a volunteer to take the minutes. Now here to take is the infinitive and this is giving you information about the noun volunteer, right? Volunteer is a noun and these words, or we can say this phrase, the infinitive phrase is giving you the information about this volunteer. Which volunteer you need? A volunteer who can take the minutes of meeting, right? So here to take, that is an infinitive, is used as an adjective, right? In the next example, the dream to see his hometown again is something she looks forward to. Now, first we need to find out what is the noun here, the dream. The dream is the noun phrase. The dream to see his hometown. Now, this to see is giving us information about the noun dream. That's why we will say that this is working as an adjective. The dream to see his hometown again is something that she looks forward to. Hope you have got this point too. Let's see infinitives working as adverbs. If we read the first sentence, it is the officer returned. The sentence is finished here. The officer returned. But why did he return? The verb written is here and to help is describing or modifying it. And you know that if you have a word or a phrase that is describing the verb in the sentence, it is an adverb, right? So the officer returned to help somebody, okay? Here this infinitive is working as an adverb. They went to Bohol to see the chocolate hills. They went. Went is a verb here. To Bohol. Why did they go? To see the chocolate hills. Now this to see is giving you information about the action of went and that's why it's an adverb here. She traveled to spend her vacation somewhere she could relax. She traveled. Traveled is a verb here. Why she traveled? To spend her vacation. So now this infinitive to spend is giving you information about the action of travel and that's why this infinitive is an adverb here. Hope you have understood this too. Now, if you want to take a test, I'm leaving a website's link in the description box. Go there, check what you have learned, and you can share your result in the comments box too. That's all for today. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.